If you need something more than a standard Hammond enclosure, Rapid can save you time and money with a high-quality modification service. We offer a wide range of modifications, including cutouts, special paint colours and state-of-the-art UV printing. Rapid visited Hammond's factory to find out a little more about what goes into producing an enclosure to your exact specification. After receiving your inquiry on the Rapid website, a free quote is prepared. There is no need for you to produce the CAD drawing. These will be prepared at Hammond's factory and sent to you for your approval. This is an opportunity to clarify any design features before production. A sample part is then produced free of charge. The maximum accuracy and repeatability, Hammond's cutting-edge CAD-CAM and the latest CNC machining centres produce a variety of modifications that you may require. Hammond's UV printing service gives you the opportunity to print unique designs, images, text, and even textures directly onto a vast range of materials. It can produce over 1 million colours, including different shades at the same time, giving your enclosures a high-quality finish and distinctive look. All finished products are carefully inspected to ensure modifications have been made to your exact requirements. Repeat orders are quick and easy thanks to your enclosure's unique part number. You can expect to receive stock of your modified enclosures 3 to 4 weeks after submitting your initial inquiry. Our complete enclosure service ensures you receive a high-quality product 100% ready for your application. So why just buy a standard enclosure when you can buy and modify?